Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick but super useful tutorial, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to center your text in Google Sheets. If you've ever made a spreadsheet that felt just a little bit messy, or if you simply want your titles and headings to look nice and polished, knowing how to center text can make a huge difference. By the end of this video, you'll know not just how to do it, but why it makes your work look better and more professional every single time. Alright, let's dive right in. So you probably already have your spreadsheet with some data in it, right? Maybe it's a list of names, project titles, or just some numbers you want to tidy up. The first thing you'll want to do is select the text or cells that you want to center. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over those cells, or if it's just one, simply click on it. Don't worry if you accidentally select the wrong area, just click away and try again. It's always easy to fix. Now with your cells highlighted, we're going to look up towards the top of Google Sheets, along that toolbar just above your actual data. Somewhere around the middle, you'll see a little group of icons that look like small stacked lines. They're your text alignment options. Hover your mouse over each one and you'll see tooltips pop up. Left align, center align, or right align. We're focusing on the center align button today, which usually has the lines stacked neatly in the middle. Go ahead and click that. When you use the center align, your text will instantly jump to the middle of each cell you selected. This works for just about anything: headers, single words, big lists, or even numbers. Why is this so useful? Well, centering text is a great way to make headings stand out or to give your table a balanced, symmetrical feel. Imagine making a poster. You wouldn't leave the title hanging awkwardly on one side, right? The same goes for spreadsheets. Now let's say you want to add a little extra flair or make your centered text stand out even more. Right next to the align icons, you'll sometimes see an option to rotate text. Maybe you're working on a tight table and want your headers to run vertical or at an angle. Don't hesitate to try those out. Google Sheets will keep the text centered in the cell even if you rotate it. It's actually really flexible, so play around and see what looks best for your data. And honestly, that's all there is to it. Once you start centering your text, you'll notice your spreadsheets instantly look cleaner and more organized. It's a small detail, but over time, these little formatting tricks can save you from confusing layouts and help teammates or clients read your work more easily. If any of this feels a bit tricky at first, don't worry, that's totally normal. Take your time, experiment with a few different alignments, and see which one works best for your project. Before you head out, if you found this video helpful, please smash that like button. It really helps my channel. And if you have any questions or are curious about more Google Sheets features, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.